So Zach, today we're going to be talking about mixtures, and we're going to be talking about how sometimes we mix things together for a particular purpose, and that purpose is to use things in our everyday life. But before we start, I'd like you to tell me what you think a mixture is.
Like a few things sort of thrown together and mixed.
Okay, sure. Alrighty, well, let's take a look at the things that we have in front of us. I'd like you to tell me whether or not you think the item on the plate or in the glass is a type of mixture. So this first one here is some cookie dough. Do you think that's a type of mixture?
Yeah, because you can see the chocolate chips in the dough mixed.
Okay, sure. What about this one here? Lots of lollies on a plate.
Different kinds of lollies mixed in there. So
yeah, a type of mixture. Excellent. What about this one here? Some water and some salt has been mixed together in that glass.
Maybe not a mixture because you can't see the salt in the water.
Okay, sure. What about this one here? That's some detergent and some water.
Can't see detergent in the water other than the colour, so maybe not.
Okay, and this last one here, we've got some water and some oil that's been mixed together.
They're not mixed in together, so no, they're separate.
Okay, sure. Well, Zach, actually all of these are mixtures. And they're mixtures because in each one of them there's two or more ingredients that have been mixed together, but they can also be separated again, and that's what a mixture is. Now there's two different types of mixtures that we talk about. The first one is a very big word that scientists use that's called heterogeneous. And an example of a heterogeneous mixture is this water and oil here, and also these lollies. Now a heterogeneous mixture is a type of mixture where you can see each of the ingredients that have gone into the mixture, which allows us to easily separate the ingredients. So have a look at these lollies here. How might you separate those?
You could probably separate them into colours, maybe shape, or taste. Maybe.
Yeah, even taste. Yeah, excellent, great work. The other type of mixture is called a homogeneous mixture, and that's another big word that scientists use to describe this type of mixture with the cookie dough, the detergent and the water, and the salt in the water. Now this type of mixture is a mixture where you can't always see the ingredients. So the cookie dough, for example, here was made up of sugar, flour and egg, but you can't actually see those ingredients there, can you?
No, you can't. Yeah.
So scientists would need to use special methods, equipment and tools to be able to separate the ingredients in each of the three of these. But there's still a type of mixture because those ingredients could be separated if we wanted to.
Yep.
So Zach, from what we've just talked about, what can you now tell me about a mixture?
But some are easier sort of to define what's in the mix differently, whereas others, like the cookie dough, are all mixed in and it'd be a lot harder to sort of separate them, I guess, and that you need at least two things for a mix.
Yeah, excellent, great work. So Zach, now we're going to have a go at creating our own mixture. And the mixture that we're going to create today is sherbet. Have you tried sherbet before?
Yeah, I've had whiz
Whiz, yeah, excellent. So the ingredients that go into sherbet is bicarb soda, icing sugar, jelly crystals and citric acid. Now I'll get you to try each of these and tell me what you think they taste like. So there's a clean spring for you. That's the bicarb soda. What do you think that tastes like?
Disgusting, but salty.
Okay. What about the icing sugar?
Very sweet.
Sweet? Yeah, okay. What about the jelly crystals?
They're like sugary and crunchy and fruity.
Sugary? Okay, yeah. And what about the citric acid?
Very sour.
Yeah, so individually they all have very different tastes, don't they?
Yeah.
Alright, let's have a go at mixing them all together and see what they taste like now. So I'll get you to help me add them all into the bowl. And here's a clean spoon, give them a good stir. What can you see happening to the ingredients now?
The more I mix them, the more they sort of blend in, I guess, and harder to see them individually.
Okay, we'll have a taste of it. Tell me what you think it tastes like.
Like whispers, yeah.
Whispers, yeah, excellent. So as you saw, individually, the ingredients taste not very nice by themselves, do they? Some were a bit salty, some were a bit sweet, but when we mixed them all together into the sherbet, created quite a nice flavour, didn't it?
Yeah, kind of balanced, yeah.
Yeah, so as you can see, the purpose of making mixtures in our everyday life is a very important thing. And sometimes scientists, or quite often, scientists find different combinations of things that work really well together in the right quantities to create things that are very important to us, very purposeful in our everyday life. We can find that in different chemicals and also medicines as well, so that's why mixtures are very important to us.